How to fix the issue of DoorDash application, it won't let me redeem my gift card. In this video, I will show you how can you easily troubleshoot the DoorDash application to fix the issue with redemption of gift card. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open DoorDash application and navigate toward its setting. Then below, you will see the option of logout. Simply log out your DoorDash application and logging back. Sometimes this single step can fix your issue with redemption of gift card. But if your issue is still not solved, continue watching the video. Second method is that we will go toward the app info of DoorDash and click on Force Stop. After that, we will also go to the storage of DoorDash application where we can find the option of clear data and clear cache. Firstly, clear the cache of the Dasher application and then also clear the data. And that's all. That is how easily you can fix the issue with redemption of gift card on DoorDash application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.